Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit Google Form after submit. First, open your browser, click the Google Apps icon, and select Google Forms. Open any form you've already created or click blank form. Click the settings icon at the top of the page. Scroll down to the responses section. Turn on the toggle for allow response editing. Click send or share your form. Open the form in a new tab. Submit a response. After submission, you should see a link to edit your response. And that's it. Your respondents can now update their answers even after submitting the form. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.